Here I am down here. Can you see me? I'll bring this down as I keep on waving here. That is the Parrot Anafi up there. Just put my camera on it. Check that out. There it is, up in the sky. So why do I have the Parrot Anafi hovering up in the air? Well, there's a great sale on right now. Now, when the Parrot Anafi first came on the market, myself as well as other reviewers all thought it was overpriced by like $100. Now it's $150 off, so it's a little bit underpriced. It's a really good deal right now for Black Friday, so you got to check out the deals. Now, I can only speak for North America where it's on sale. It might be on sale in Europe as you get closer to Christmas if it's not on sale now, because Black Friday is a North American thing. Actually a United States thing. So here's the deals. I'll just put them up on the screen really quick. So in the US, right now the Parrot Anafi sells for $549 US. It used to be $699 US, so that's a huge savings. And the really cool thing, I can't find this in Canada, but in the US, my Parrot Anafi's coming over to me. But in the US, the Parrot Anafi, for $699 US, you can get the Parrot Anafi, 2 batteries, and a case for it. That's a pretty decent deal. Now, of course, I can't leave Canada out on that. So in Canada, for $749 Canadian, used to be $899 Canadian, you can get the Parrot Anafi. So that's just the normal Parrot Anafi with 1 battery. So another awesome deal. So anyways, it's a short video. It's just to say, if you don't have the Parrot Anafi, you should really consider picking it up, because this drone is getting better and better every time they do a firmware update. And they keep doing them every now and then, and they add more features and some really cool things for the Parrot Anafi that only this drone has, that you won't find on a DJI drone. So it's a really good drone. All right, I'm gonna take my little Parrot Anafi for a winter flight, and that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's any more deals, leave a comment below on any type of drone, and maybe I'll report on it this week. Thanks.